Welcome back to what I want to call paradise. However, never mind paradise, right now it's more like a slum. For the newcomers, we've found rats, woodworm, repulsive smells and nicotine stains. Lots of them too. So you join me in trying to make this Welsh cottage great again with a hint of modern furnishes. But before we get to that, we continue with the stripping. Not me, come on guys. Anyway, in this one, it's ceilings out, rafters exposed and a 30-mile trip to the local tip. So the plan for this room is to actually take the ceilings out and bolt them into an apex, allow some Velux windows to come in and basically allow that natural light. In March, when we've got somewhere else to stay, we've just got to do it because of the seasons. We're going to knock all the walls down up here and completely rejig because we need to be able to fit 2 double beds in essentially, and at the minute all we can fit is 1 single and 1 double. If we move the walls, we can basically move it all around and can fit 2 doubles in. So with all that said, what I'm about to do is smash this ceiling out, but first I need to check whether it's asbestos or not. So let's go check. If you're wondering how to tell whether something's asbestos or not, 1, if you've got no idea, read up on it, or 2, actually get someone to come round. 9 times out of 10 when you buy a house, it says in the survey whether there's asbestos present. This house is 135 years old and it won't surprise me if there's some present. So what we're going to do is we're going to lift these wooden boards up that you probably can't see, and then if we see like horse hairs in like the plasterboard and Artex, 9 times out of 10 that is asbestos, and I will have to get people in to remove it because I'm not going to take the risk of wetting it and doing it myself. So let's have a look. So we're up in the loft. I'm not taking this mask off because look what I've just found. And don't worry guys, I'm not wearing a mask because we found asbestos. Fortunately, the ceilings were plasterboard. I knew this because the back of them was stamped with a British gypsum sign. The reason I'm wearing a mask is because of this. The culprit for the rat's nest is there. Look at all that shit under there. It's just... There's also been a dead bird up here at some point. I think the rats had it. There's just stuff everywhere. It's been gnawing that curling. And we found that they've been, well, it's obviously been gnawing that, and it's been gnawing down there as well. Oh. Now it's time for more crash bang wallop. It certainly was a horrible, dirty job, and the mask was well needed. One good thing though, there will be limited rat feces once this is complete, and we'll be one step closer to getting this ceiling vaulted into that perfect triangular shape. Absolutely knackered throwing that ceiling out. Now, here is all like teeth, gnawing places and all this sort of stuff, and it definitely looks like they've been trying to chew here and chew there to get through to next door. I've also noticed on top of one of the purlins there is like a big divot out and looks like loads of teeth marks where there's been puncture holes. Stepping into the loft, we've found actually that the rats have been nesting right at the back end. We've took all the loft insulation out barring this back corner, and we've not found any rats. All I can say is the amount of rat feces that is present, it's ridiculous. I think if I scooped it all up, it'd probably fill half a rubble sack. So next week I'm going to get some different hoover bags, I'm going to get a proper suit and a mask, and I'm going to hoover it all out and just get everything gone. We have found a dead bird down that back end that a rat has obviously eaten, and there's feathers everywhere and bits of bone, which has now been disposed of. A few little roof repairs that need doing, especially where someone's bodged the extractor fan going out the roof. That's going. But at least we're in a position now to see how we can actually take these ceiling hangers out, whether it's going to affect the support of the roof. Hopefully not. This wall here is going to be all open cobblestone right down to the ground floor. It's all going to be repointed by my dad, and it's all going to be cleaned up and sealed, so it'll be nice going through the house, and we'll have some nice glowing lights shining down on the wall to show the age of the build. Pushing on 130 years old, this building. Right, so with all that said, look at this. As of the next episode, we're going to be looking at getting this wall back to the open cobblestone. So all I'm going to say to you is thank you very much for tuning into Signature Builds. I can't believe we've smashed 2,000 views on the last video. It's just showing me how interested you guys are in seeing what I can create and what I can do. And this task will be devoted to the lovely Sophie Julian. So with all that said, guys, make sure you stay safe, enjoy the videos, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. See you later.